Now here, what's the new thing that we're talking about is referencing the data from another workbook. For example, let's say I am having this workbook called as reference master where some information is available. I want this information to be referenced somewhere else. So what I'll do, let's say here I am writing reference value, something like that. We'll see one practical example also for this, which is actually employee monthly reporting. But for now, we just need to learn the feature, how we use it. So reference value. Let's say this value I need to refer from this workbook, which is reference master workbook. So what will you do? It is very, very simple. You just need to again just write double equal, which you write for the formulas. Go to the sheet. Go to the sheet. Let's say I want to reference 10. Okay. So I'll just click on this data, go back to my sheet and just press enter. Can you see we have 10 here? I'll just highlight the value so that you can see it clearly. Can you see we have 10 here?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you click on the cell, you will see how it came. See the formula reference master dot xlsx sheet 1 A2. So if you see here, this is the same location of this value. This is the reference master sheet, reference master workbook sheet 1 A2. So there are two ways. I usually use this way. I'll just do equal sign, go back to the sheet wherever from where I want to get the data, select the data, come back, select the data, come back to the sheet and just press enter. This is the easiest way to reference some information. What is the toughest way? You just go to cell, you write equal to, and then you write the complete complete sheet name, reference master dot xlsx, complete the brackets and then write the cell location and all. What is the formula? You can get the formula from here. So maybe I'll just remove this. You can get the formula from here. Either write this formula manually or just do the way which I have told you. Same goes with cells also. Let's say I want here, wait, I'll just, I have selected another sheet, so it become, okay, I'll just remove this. This is not required. Let's say I want to have reference sum, reference range sum. Okay. What I want here, I want the sum of the values which are available there. So what I do, I'll use sum formula. Now the range is not available here. Range is available in my master sheet. I'll go to the master sheet. I'll select the range. This is the range. I'll come back to my sheet. I'll just click on enter. 29. Now if you see, I am changing the value from 10 to let's say 10,000. If you go back to your sheet, you will see the values got changed. The reference got changed because this is how reference works. It is pointing to that information. It is not just copy pasting the value. No, it is pointing to that information. If you change the information, your reference will also be changed. And it should change always. Is this clear to everyone? We already use referencing. This is just the new thing, might be the new thing for others that we are referencing from some other sheet. Tell me if there is any question, any doubt. Anyone? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now coming back to some practical example, let's say I am creating a quarterly report. Okay, I am having the data. We can change it from here, either monthly report or maybe here I'll write, let's say something like January report, Jan 2024. Okay, so I am creating monthly reports.